Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to activate IP cameras on Homaxi NVRs. Stay with us. Before you start, ensure both the camera and NVR are connected to the same LAN network. And there are two ways to activate the camera. First, please launch your Homaxi NVRs. Access the main menu. Select Camera, Channel Set. Select an inactive camera through search. Click Add, and by default, the camera will be automatically activated using the NVR password as the activation password. Follow the same steps as in Method 1, selecting the inactive camera through the search. Click Active All. A window for activation will appear. You can choose to use the NVR password for activation, or set a new password for the camera during the activation process. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.